Check the anti-tilt label on the outside of the outer packing. Indicator lamp off means that the instrument is transported normally and there is no accidental fall. Pry the edge snap with a hammer or flat screwdriver. At least 2 people assist is needed to push the instrument to the pre-installation position. The voltage of the neutral and live wire is 220V plus or minus 22V. The neutral and ground wire should be less than 5V. The pure water shall be measured in the hospital to ensure that the water quality value is below 1. Take out the waste liquid pipe from the accessories and insert them in turn. Take out the pure water line from the accessory. Connect the pipe and buckle it tightly. The end of the inlet pipe needs to fall to the bottom of the pure bucket. Remove the wash liquid float and place the detergent in the tray. Screw the float into the mouth of the detergent bottle. Fixed instrument corners to prevent accidental touch movement. Refer to the software installation video. After the installation is completed, the machine is turned on and the deionized water is automatically stored. Click Reset and you can see the instrument start running. Check the syringe for air bubbles. Observe the pump interface for water leaks. Everything is fine. The installation completed.